There's nothing quite like a warm bowl of soup on a chilly winter evening. But did you know soups can also help you stay on track with your weight loss goals? In today's video, we'll share 5 delicious, easy soup recipes for the winter season that are not only comforting but also packed with health benefits. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who'd love these cozy soup recipes, and hit that subscribe button for more healthy and delicious food ideas. Now, let's dive into those recipes. 1. Butternut squash and apple soup, healthy and low-calorie. First up, we have butternut squash and apple soup. This easy soup recipe is naturally sweet, rich in vitamins, and low in calories. Perfect for a cozy dinner and ideal for anyone looking for healthy soup recipes this winter season. 2. Cauliflower and leek soup, low-carb and creamy. Next, we have a creamy cauliflower and leek soup. This soup recipe is low in carbs and high in fiber, making it a healthy choice for your winter dinners. It's quick to prepare and one of the best winter soup recipes for weight loss. 3. Chicken and spinach soup, protein and packed dinner recipe. Our third recipe is chicken and spinach soup. This chicken soup recipe is loaded with protein and nutrients, perfect for a fulfilling dinner. If you're wondering how to make soup that's both healthy and delicious, this one's for you. 4. Ginger carrot soup, boost your immunity for a zesty kick. Try our ginger carrot soup. This healthy soup recipe is great for boosting immunity and metabolism. Enjoy this winter soup recipe as part of your weight loss journey. 5. Creamy leek and potato soup, comfort food reinvented. Finally, our creamy leek and potato soup combines comfort and nutrition in one bowl. This easy soup recipe is a perfect winter dinner option. Simple, delicious, and satisfying. There you have it, 5 amazing soup recipes for the winter season. From chicken soup to creamy vegetable soups, these dinner recipes are perfect for cozy nights while supporting your health goals. Subscribe for more healthy recipes, like and share. Which recipe will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Healthy soup recipes for winter season.